Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I will try to explain what ExTele Conv means on this GH5 camera. So, ExTele Conv is just extended teleconverter. So this feature provides an additional digital zoom capability beyond the camera optical zoom range. So here is for example, two options, on and off. So enabling the extended teleconverter feature applies a digital zoom to the image, effectively extended the camera's telephoto reach beyond its optical zoom range. So, of course, this allows you to zoom in further on your subjects without physically changing lens or moving closer, but it's important to understand that using digital zoom can result in a loss of image quality, so especially when compared it to optical zoom. So the camera digitally crops picture, and of course it can introduce pixelation and reduce overall sharpness. So that's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.